morning everyone. How are you all? Today we are going to tell about how to introduce ourselves. Means whenever we meet to someone and we don't know about them or he don't know about me, then how to introduce ourselves to them. First of all, when we meet to someone, then we should say hello or hi. When we meet someone, then we should say hello or hi. And when after that we should ask. First of all, we should share our name. My name is. First of all, we should share my name is. Whatever your name, you should share your name. After that, you should ask their name. What is your name? Then, what is your name? Means, first of all, we should share our name. Then, we should ask their name. Then, you should say nice to meet you. After that, you should say nice to meet you. And then another person will say nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Okay? Then you will ask, where are you from? What will you ask? Where are you? Are you from? Whenever you ask where are you from, then he will share their address, and then another person will ask where are you from, and then when another person will ask to you where are you from, then you will share your address. You will share your address. Fine. Now we are going to know how to conversation, how to talk with others. Fine. Now we are going to know about how to talk with each other. I am going to explain. Whenever you meet to someone, for example, I wrote two names. There are two people, Priyanshu and Ayush. Fine. First of all, when Priyanshu meet to Ayush, Priyanshu will say hello. Priyanshu will say hello. My name is Priyanshu, and then he will ask, what is your name? Priyanshu will say, my name is Priyanshu Shrani. Then he will ask, what is your name? Fine. After that, he will ask, what is your name? Then Ayush will say, hi Ayush. Hi. Ayush will say, hi Priyanshu. I am Ayush. Nice to meet you. What will say? Ayush will say, hi Priyanshu. Hi Priyanshu. I am Ayush Yadav. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Ayush will say, "Hi Priyanshu, I am Ayush Yadav. Nice to meet you." Then Priyanshu will say, "Nice to meet you too." Priyanshu will say, "Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?" What will Priyanshu say? Priyanshu will say, "Nice to meet you too." Whenever someone said nice to meet you, then you have to say nice to meet you too. Fine? And then Priyanshu will ask to Ayush, "Where are you from?" Priyanshu will ask to Ayush, "Where are you from?" Then Ayush will say, what is their address. Ayush will say, "I am from Paharpur. I am from Hardoi." Ayush will say, "I am from Hardoi, and it is famous for Ram Janki Mandir." Fine? Ayush will say, "I am from Hardoi, UP. Hardoi, UP, and it is famous for Ram Janki Mandir." Ram Janki Mandir or Ram Janki temple, we can say. And then he will ask, "Where are you from?" Then after that Ayush will ask, "I am from Hardoi, UP. It is famous for Ram Janki Mandir." And then ask to Priyanshu, "Where are you from?" Then Priyanshu will share their address. Priyanshu will say, "I am from Sahabar. I am from Sahabar, and it is famous for biryani. It is famous for biryani." Fine? Did you understand? Good. That's all.